At IHCYLT, we're launching a qualification that gives teachers real expertise in teaching children and teenagers.
It's the International House Certificate in Teaching Young Learners and Teenagers. The IHCYLT isn't just another local certificate. The IHCYLT is the only qualification in Egypt that bears the Cambridge Assessment English logo, alongside IHCYLT accreditation. That dual recognition opens doors worldwide.
The course is built around real classroom practice. You'll teach 4 assessed lessons across 2 age groups and receive clear developmental feedback from experienced IH trainers. These aren't abstract theories, they're practical ways of teaching that fit how children and teenagers actually learn.
You'll explore proven methodologies designed for young learners. CLT for real communication, TPR for learning through movement, TBLT for task-based lessons, and CLIL for integrating subject content naturally, all of which make your lessons more engaging, meaningful, and age-appropriate.
You'll also learn techniques that help you run your classes smoothly, like setting up clear routines, using attention signals, managing smooth transitions between activities, and designing age-appropriate tasks that keep learners focused and engaged.
If you want a recognized, internationally trusted qualification that prepares you to teach young learners with confidence, the IHCYLT at IHCYLT is your next step.